What exactly are deepfakes? It's not easy to agree on a comprehensive definition of deepfakes, but let's give it a try. The term deepfake combines the words deep, from deep learning, and fake. We know that deepfakes are enabled by deep learning technology, a machine learning technique that teaches computers to learn by example. Deepfake technology uses someone's behavior, like your voice, imagery, or typical facial expressions or body movements, to create entirely new content that is virtually indistinguishable from authentic content. This technology can also be used to make real people appear to say or do things that they never said or did, or to replace anyone in an existing video, or create video content with either completely non-existent characters, celebrities, or important political figures. The manipulation of existing, or the fabrication of new digital imagery is not new. In fact, AI-generated pornographic content first surfaced in late 2017. And while creating these types of effects used to take experts in high-tech studios at least a year to accomplish, the rapid development of deepfake technology in recent years has made the creation of really convincing fake content a lot easier and faster. Initially used to describe specific pornographic content, the term deepfakes is now being used more broadly and can refer to a host of different AI-generated or synthetic video content. Exploitation of AI and machine learning technology. Rather using the AI and machine learning technology for betterment and living conditions of the people, few engineers are putting their mind in developing the AI or machine learning-enabled fake contents to influence the people in our society. This face-swapping technology got the greater attention from the unethical people from our society for creating deepfakes. Using AI or machine learning algorithms, photos are swap-on faces to create fake videos and images, giving a negative impact on society about the development and more innovation in the AI and machine learning fields. People will perceive such technologies in the destructive way that can affect the further or more innovative growth and development in AI and machine learning fields. A real threat to society, elections, and politicians. Deepfake is a real threat to society, influencing the sentiments and perceptions of people around us. Popular celebrities, politicians, and other personalities is getting badly affected by the misuse of AI-backed such technologies. Any popular or well-reputed person from our society can be targeted by creating altered pornographic clips or swapped-faced with unknown persons, like politicians contending in elections, can be the victim of deepfakes. Such fake videos or images circulating on social media and other online channels can influence the audience at the time of state or central government elections in any country, damaging the image and dignity of celebrities. Another serious consequence of deepfake is widely used in creating sexually explicit images or videos misrepresenting the celebrities in spoofs. And celebrities like popular actors or stars from the music industry are mainly target while creating the deepfake fake adult videos or images. The creators swap actresses' faces into videos by adult film stars, enabling the transfer of sexual fantasies from imaginations of people to the internet. Emma Watson, Natalie Portman, and Gal Gadot are the few popular celebrities targeted into deepfakes. And before experts detect the reality of a deepfake video, it goes viral on the internet and influences the large number of people. However, many adult websites also use deepfakes video detection tools to remove such videos every day. But the problem is in most countries, no such laws exist to deal with this kind of content yet, making it difficult to control and badly affecting the image and dignity of well-known personalities. Manipulated posting of contents on social media. People around the world keep looking for interesting contents on internet. Social media channels are one of the most preferred online platforms where such contents are posted without any authentication influencing the group of people on the internet. These social media platforms' continued emergence of all forms of manipulated media presents real challenges for society. One of the leading social media networking sites, Facebook, said they are actively working to combat the threat of deepfakes. They have deployed engineering team to detect the manipulated videos, photos, or videos, and also allow users to report such contents their team. Social media companies also hire people or deepfake service, providing companies to spot such contents and help them to remove before it can influence a greater number of people. Alright, that's it for today's video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found it to be helpful. We'll be back with another video soon. After that, explore the other videos on our channel and let us know what you think of the video or if you have any requests or comments in the section below.